Hello stock stalkers, one of my followers on Instagram and YouTube have requested for a detailed analysis on Emirates NBD Bank. So here is it. So when you see a chart, first thing first you want to analyze the trend. Now how do we draw the trend line? If we draw trend lines from the swing lows to swing high, we have to at least touch two swing lows. This is 1 and this is 2. It means this was the support zone. When the market left from the support zone, when it came back for a retest after so many days, it again respected this trend line. Now what do we see here? If we extend this trend line, we are seeing market have taken a bounce somewhere near the trend line. It means it's respecting this zone again. At the same time, now if we draw our support and resistance zones, this was the immediate support. We can see market have taken a bounce so many times. This is first, this is second. Also previously we have a history. Market was reacting at the same levels. So this is important zone for the market. Now if a market or a stock retests same level again and again within a short period of time, the level becomes weaker and weaker. But it tested once here, and after a long time it retested again. So there was a huge gap in between. Again for the third time, you can see after so many months it have come back again at the same level. But now important and very interesting is market have been lingering around the same resistance and support line. It means this zone is getting weaker and weaker. Yet we have to identify something very important. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, so what do we have now? When the market was trending to the upside, it tried to break the resistance. It got rejected. It tried for the second time. It took a deep retracement. First retracement was not very deep. Second retracement is deeper. You can see the depth. It's deeper. From here it made a U-turn. So this is support. So we have to mark our support zone. This is support. Previously we have a history. We can see market was trying to cross. It broke the support. The same support is now acting as a resistance. Let me adjust the chart. Now you can clearly see market tried to cross again, it got rejected, and this time there was a deep retracement, very deep retracement till 6.30. So this zone is important. Now coming back to current levels, if we see market have taken a bounce from here, that is around 12.80. Once support is broken, it will potentially act as a resistance. So this was the support all this time, even here, even here. Support is broken by this solid red candle. This indicates us that institutions are now selling. So smart money is exiting the trade. Support is broken. Now after Thursday's closing, we can see yes, buying have started. We are seeing a recovery, but now we should wait and see how market is reacting at this support and resistance line. There are good chances it can come back again and then cross it when it tries to cross for the second time, or there are good chances it can go directly up. That is the reason I say you cannot just directly purchase or sell a stock. You need to stock a stock at a particular level. Now if you want to buy here at around 13.70, you have to wait for a closing about 13.80 to see how market is reacting at 13.80. If you see a rejection candle here, do not enter the trade. Avoid Emirates NBD. Look for another opportunities in the market. So if you see a red candle here, it can come back, retest the same trend line and try for the second time. Again, if it fails, it will try for the third time. So now you can identify a pattern. So this is forming a triangle pattern, and it will give a breakout at the wedge of this triangle pattern. It can go upwards or it can go downwards. Most likely previous trend was in an uptrend, or it's still in an uptrend, so we can expect a breakout to the upside. Now where is the first target? Heavy selling is witnessed at 14.25. so if you are entering here, your stop loss should be somewhere below this red candle. So your stop loss should be around 13.35. Your target should be 14.25. So this is how you enter the trade. Now let's talk purely about the trend. If we talk about the trend, yes, it's making swing highs and swing lows. So still we can count it in an uptrend. Yes, support is broken. This was the immediate support zone. We can see market closed below the support zone. Let me adjust the chart. So this was a support. From here market started to move up. It broke the support zone. We can see somewhere near the trend line it have taken a bounce, and now it's trying to move up. We can see a candlestick pattern here. I call this a dodgy sandwich. Green candle here. Dodgy means indecisive, and then we are seeing a decisive candle as well. So most likely we can see market moving up, but importantly you want to see how it reacts at resistance zone now. So somewhere around 13.90 to 95 is resistance. If it makes a green candle, it's a good signal to buy. But if you see a rejection candle here, do not enter the trade. So I hope this detailed analysis will help you. Do share it with your friend. Support the channel by smashing the like button. Thanks for watching and keep stocking.